Hi, my name is Vincent Balgos, and I'm the Director of Medical Solutions here at Jama Software. In this video, I'm going to talk about our updates to our medical device and life sciences solution 2.0. For the agenda, there are quite a few improvements I'd like to share with you today. So the first thing I want to show is our Jama Connect Advisor example data. Release in 8.80, this new feature enables EARs and ENCOSI rules for requirement quality authoring. Additional licenses are required, but wanted to share some of the capabilities examples right out of the box. So as you can see here, what we've shown is, the general use case description, but also an example requirement with the Jama Connect Advisor output. Again, this is a non-functional screenshot. We just wanted to share some of the information that you may see when having Jama Connect Advisor. Here's, for example, for a green status, which means generally a good requirement. But let's take a look at what a yellow requirement, or maybe something that may need some rework. And you can see which of the rules, particularly in COSI, that is now flagged, that is, have some potential issues. And then the same is true with our red level of requirements. So again, this is potentially a useful tool to kind of share while authoring requirements for your project. The next use case that we'd like to talk about is the industry standards trace. So in the standards review case, one of the first things I want to share is this relationship rule diagram. As you can see here, we have user needs traced to system requirements, which is, aligns with 820.30. But also we have this new item type called standards review, which is now traced to system requirements. If you upload your standards into Jama, what we can see for this particular item type is that we've identified now the standard, the clause number, the clause text, and identified does this standard apply for this particular project. What's nice about once this is in Jama, I can now actually do a trace downstream to the system requirement. Note, this project does not provide any standards due to copyright issues. Customers will need to provision their own standards for use and apply appropriately. The last thing we want to talk about is really the reports on this medical device framework update. What I wanted to share is if I go into the admin area and I take a look at the reports, you can see now that we've now have the ability to upload and manage our own reports. But we've provided some additional categories and information to help organize the many reports that we have. As you can see here, we've identified some trace reports, some new SAMD reports. So if I go back to the project, and let's take a look at, let's say, system requirements, I want to show you a new trace report that shows requirements to verification only events. So for example, if we go on to, let's say, our subsystem requirements that we have here, I'm going to pick this one. I'm going ahead and go at export. Again, this is available now into the MDF 2.0. What I want to show you is the requirements to verification trace report. So if I go ahead and hit run, create a report, I'm going to download it. And then what I want to share is this new trace report that we have, which now shows you the requirement, the verification test case associated with the requirement, but in addition, the latest test run and its test result status. So this helps clearly identify the requirement to verification traceability that's needed, and that you may be able to submit to your DHF. We have a similar one called the user needs to validation trace report that follows the same above. The other thing we wanted to show is that we've added a couple popular and useful GitHub reports to this solution update. These are located up in our run reports area, where we actually now included the test results report grouped by test case and the test result report grouped by test cycles, which are really helpful for understanding test management scenarios. Okay, that's for the general update for the standard medical device framework. We have an additional updated solution such as software as a medical device, research use only, and our new self-guided onboarding framework. So we do definitely encourage you to look at that further.
Please contact your Jama Success Manager or consultant to learn how to implement these new solutions at your organization. Thank you.